Welcome to the MOOCs course on Introduction to CFD. You may already be knowing that computational fluid dynamics, which is in brief said as CFD, has become a very powerful tool both in industry and academia to simulate fluid flow and other transport related problems. There was a time when we mostly depended on either empirical relations or limited experimental data to solve engineering problems. With the advent of CFD, which was possible through development in computer hardware as well as advancement in computer software, during the last several decades there was a very rapid development in numerical simulation of the governing partial differential equations in fluid flow. And that was when CFD emerged as a very important tool of both practical engineering problem solving as well as research. And since then it has remained a very important area of focus both for industrial work as well as academic research. Now, what do we do in CFD? We look at governing fluid dynamics equations, which are essentially partial differential equations, and we try to understand their behavior by solving them numerically, that means in an approximate manner by using suitable numerical algorithms. And of course, as you know from your exposure to engineering mathematics, that partial differential equations have to be solved always with appropriate initial boundary conditions, and then if you want to numerically solve them, there has to be some discretization process by means of which you generate algebraic equations which represent the partial differential equations. So, we will learn all these things from fundamentals in this introduction to CFD course. So, we begin the course by looking at physical and numerical behavior of some simple model problems involving elliptic, parabolic and hyperbolic partial differential equations, and then we gradually build on that knowledge to look at some more advanced topics, like we look at advection diffusion kind of problem, and further we look at solution of incompressible Navier-Stokes equations. We also look at application of Euler equations in a one dimensional perspective, where we solve for flow equations which involve compressibility effects, discontinuities like shock waves. We look at advection of interfaces, which is very important in multiphase flows, like where you have multiple fluids interacting with each other, maybe a liquid interfacing with gas. So, we have very sophisticated CFD algorithms which can track moving interfaces which separate the different regions of fluids. We also look at a bit of turbulence modeling. As you know, turbulence is an omnipresent phenomena almost in fluid dynamics. We also look at how turbulence modeling takes place a little bit as an introduction, and a very important topic overall for CFD work, that is how to generate grids or meshes in order to discretize the domain where you are going to solve those partial differential equations. So, I hope that you will find this course to be very useful and interesting. A very novel feature of this course would be that every now and then in different modules that we discuss, that we try to build up on, we will try to show some simple numerical results which have been generated through some in-house codes developed by my students or myself, and we have very simply tried to represent the results by using softwares, graphic softwares which are readily available as open source softwares, without going in for very advanced graphics tools. So, that should trigger that excitement in you in order to try simulating such flow problems yourselves, and in my opinion this is the best way to learn CFD. Do it yourself and learn it. So, you may be using commercial softwares or in-house softwares developed by industries on a routine basis, but sometimes we lose track of fundamentals, sometimes we forget that we can code some of the simpler problems ourselves. So, that gives us a very deep understanding. So, I think this course will take you through that process to rebuild on the fundamentals, to revise the fundamentals if you have already learnt it at some point of time, which is true for many industry professionals, and students who are learning it for the first time, of course, will learn it by doing it themselves one by one through simple problems that they try to work out at home, try to code it at home and see for themselves that it works. So, if you can make that happen in addition to taking the video lectures and trying to learn the subject, that is the best way you will understand and learn it, so that in future you can do research on your own, can contribute more meaningfully in industry and so on. So, I warmly welcome both students from different colleges around the country, and I also very warmly welcome industry professionals who have just recently joined industry, which in that case it would work as a refresher course for them if they have already taken a CFD course in their undergraduate or postgraduate curriculum, or this may be also a refresher course for seniors in industry who have been using some benchmark softwares for years, but have not found time to go back to the fundamentals and brushing them up once more. So, with this I would finish my introduction. Once again, a very warm welcome to the course Introduction to CFD.